Throughout history, thunder and lightning have been shrouded in mystery, inspiring awe and fear. Ancient cultures often attributed these phenomena to powerful beings in the sky. In Norse mythology, the mighty Thor was believed to wield a hammer that created thunderclaps as he battled foes. Meanwhile, in Greek lore, Zeus ruled the skies, hurling lightning bolts with precision. Indigenous tribes across the globe have their own tales, often seeing thunder and lightning as manifestations of divine anger or communication. These stories, rich in imagination, reflect humanity's quest to understand the natural world. They remind us of the fascinating intersection of nature and narrative, where science and mythology intertwine.